Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. Today is Monday, December 3rd, and I am working from home. I am still in my pajamas. And spoiler alert, Tracy, if you are watching this video and you have not opened your present from Janie, please stop watching and wait until you have opened your present before you continue. So for everyone else, I am wearing a Christmas present that my friend Janie got for me and told me that I could open early, and it is a beautiful pajama set. It has a shirt and it has a cardigan, which I have never seen, and it has some really cute pants that have like little flower. Oh my gosh, it feels like luxury. It is so nice. I actually am working from home today and I may stay in my pajamas all day long. I am not sure. There's my cat. Good morning, Buzz. One of my cats. So it's early and I have done payroll and I've done a few emails, but I will get back to that in a little bit. Right now, I am going to watch a podcast, I don't know which one yet, and drink some coffee. I made some Cinnabon coffee in my knitting mug, and I'm probably going to knit a little bit on Katie's gloves that I want to get, or mittens that I want to get for her gift, that I want to gift to her for Christmas. And then I will work some more. But like I said, I may work in my pajamas today. I don't know. These are so comfortable. I just love them. I mean, it literally feels luxurious. Like, they're so soft and beautiful. And you don't have to wear the cardigan, but because it's kind of chilly and I have my window open because I'm a weirdo, I love the fresh air. So it's just beautiful, and I love them, Janie. Thank you so much. I needed some pajamas that fit me, and these are fabulous. Oh, so cozy and nice. So thank you, and thanks for letting me open it early. Look at the cat tail. That's funny. He's forever moving his tail. I'm a foot mover. Like, I enjoy, for whatever reason, I don't know why, and that enjoy is probably a weird word, but I will often find myself like just moving my feet, my toes. I don't know why, and he is the same way with his tail. He's forever moving his little tail. Oh, there he is. He's so cute. I love my animals. I love all animals. Well, all furry animals. Okay, well, I will let you guys go. I may or may not be back later today, but I just wanted to say a quick hello and happy Vlogmas Day 3. Hey guys, I'm just finishing up my Vlogmas for today. Woo, my hair is in my face. But I got a package in the mail of some yarn for a knit along with Skandir Knits, and I'm super excited. They're mittens. And I also got a beautiful card from a friend, and I thought that I would open this with you guys because this is somebody that I know via YouTube. Oh, Christmas tree, it says, with a cute card or car. May your heart and home be filled with happiness this Christmas and throughout the new year. Merry Christmas, your friend Angie. So thank you, Angie. I appreciate it very much. You're the first card that I've gotten this season, but I did get one more today, so let's open this one too. Merry Christmas. It's beautiful. And it says, may good times flock to you this holiday season. Merry Christmas from my Uncle CJ and Aunt Naomi. Another year is almost history. Have no idea where all the time went. Hope next year is full of fun. Love you. Aw, very nice. So that's what I got in the mail today. And I have been working on the mittens for Katie. I've gotten a little further, which is great. I'm almost done. I also did a heart-shaped dishcloth. And I'm cooking a dinner of just fireman stew. I think I even did a video on that a long time ago. And yeah, it's about 6 o'clock here. And I'm going to spend my evening knitting, I think, a baby sweater, just because I'm in the mood to do that, something quick and easy. And then I will probably start on her, or finish on her gloves, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But tomorrow I go to work early, so I don't know when I will see you guys again, but I'm still trying to do this Vlogmas thing 3 days straight so far. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, and I'm still in my jammies all day.